Guys, I'm back. I am back. Now, keeping my ego aside, I'm sorry. I know that I've been away for 2 months and the 285 to 290 subscribers, whatever I have. I mean, I'm really sorry. And to the 40, 50, 10 people, 5 people, whoever they are, who watch all my videos regularly, who have watched all my videos regularly, thank you for watching and please hold on. This won't happen again. I was in a very bad space, right? Things went south in November. I was clueless about things and I was clueless about my life and I needed time to figure out what I was doing, who I was. I had to challenge stuff. I had to challenge my thought process a lot of times and that took a lot of energy from me. So I'm sorry that I was away, but I hope you understand that every person at times, comes at a crossroads where they have to step back and think which road to take and what way would be the best for them. And I think I've been figuring that out well for now. Um, that's it. I will be putting up at least 2 videos and at most 4 to 5 videos. Okay, I may bombard you with amazing podcasts week after week, and I may take some time to come out with quality content sometimes. So I won't leave you empty handed any week of the month of this year anymore. Okay, I'll be as regular as possible. So I'm planning on putting out videos either Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And there will be guests, there will be solo podcasts. We'll have fun. You will be provoked to, you and I, both of us, I mean, all of us would be provoked to think and rethink about our values, our thoughts, our learning process, and things like that through movies, through songs, through comics. And I will be doing some comic book reviews soon. I have been reading some runs. So, comic book fans out there who are seeing this video right now, stay tuned and tell your other comic book fans that I am gonna come up with some comic book podcasts and maybe some rap stuff, talking about rappers, their struggles, um, whatever we know about through fans, of rap, through avid listeners of rap. So even I love rap, Hindi, English, all kinds, but obviously not the ones that talk about cars and girls. I'm not gonna talk about those rappers, alright? If you're expecting that, I'm not gonna talk about those rappers and rap. I'm gonna talk about the rappers and who have made their mark in the history of the rapping scene. And I'm gonna talk about those underdog new rappers who have amazing lyrics, who have amazing content, and they're gonna make it large. I mean, make it big someday. So that's about rap. That's about comics. Um, Series, obviously. I've talked about movie. I've talked about some series and anime. Obviously, I'm gonna come up with some anime stuff. Lots of things, lots and lots of things for you guys. I'll be planning out my timeline accordingly. So I'm gonna stick to live action stuff for quite a while, and then I'm gonna venture out into anime, cartoons, and things like that again. Okay. Some K, maybe some K drama, guys. वो भी आ सकता है अगर कुछ अच्छा मिला मुझे, because my friends have been insisting on watching some K dramas. So thank you so much, mom. 1 minute. So thank you so much. My mom's calling me. I gotta go. And keep watching Couch Potato. Also, oh fuck. Wait a minute. Guess what? For you guys, I'll always be Couch Potato. But for me, I've changed that perception a little bit about myself, right? I mean, a part of me is still a couch potato, and that's why this channel will always go on, right? I love that part of me. but also I had to challenge that in me. I've been hitting the gym. I've been failing at working on on my diet, but I will eventually get to it. I've been planning on a timetable, and I've worked on a timetable which I don't need to stick on doors anymore. I follow a timetable myself. I've been reading books, and I will be doing book reviews and things like that once I finish some books. It'll take some months, not right now, but yes, I'll get to it. So I've been reading books. I've been trying to improve. So that's it. Thank you for the people who have been there for me these 2 months, and they know who they are. And I think it was important for me to address this on YouTube early on, because I've been irregular. शुरुआत में ही I've been so irregular that I think I had to address it. So thank you so much. I will be as regular as possible. Thank you for making me realize that, and see you. Love you guys.